Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast that looks to energize and refocus you to get you to help chase your dreams and make something big happen for you. Here's your quote for today. Sometimes it's not the people who change, it's the mask that falls off. Now, we all have an impression of everyone that we meet, even if it's just for a few minutes. You might see who they want you to perceive them to be, or you might see the real person. Those who choose to hide behind the mask can only hide from them for so long. One day they're going to drop it or forget to put it on, and it's that moment where you'll start to see the real version of them, something you may well not like.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.